Hello dear children, today we will learn how to write two letters, letter V and letter S. Now how to write letter V? We will start from the margin, go up slant till this first blue line, again slant, come down till the second blue line, again go up slant and then make a small tail. This tail should be curved. One more time, please see. Slant. You will touch the lines. Then come down slant. Again go up slant and make a small tail. One more time. Slant. Then come down slant, again go up slant and a small tail. Once again start from the second blue line, slant line till the first blue line, then come down slant, slant and a small tail. Now when we say that you have to go up slant, come down slant, again go up slant, so it seems it is very easy. But it's not that easy because there are so many things that you have to keep in mind. The first thing is, after making this V, the tail will not be very deep. If the tail is deep, it is wrong. Then this tail will not be flat. It won't be a sleeping line. Wrong. It won't go very far. If it goes very far, very long tail is wrong. Now, ma'am said you have to go slant. Now, how much slant? Some children go this much slant. So, then there is this very long starting line. So, this very long starting line is wrong. You have to come, you will not go very far. You will go up slant. Can you see the difference? You will not go far. You will go up a little slant. But then you will not go up straight also. If you go up straight, your V will look like this. So you will not go up straight. Then some children, what they do, they go up slant, but then they come down straight. Instead of coming down slant, they come down straight. So their letter becomes like this. So this is wrong. Now you will not make very thin letters and you will not make very fat letters. Now this part of V should fall in the center. Like in this, can you see? You have come down slant, but then the second slant is very far. You're going far. So this is wrong. Similarly, if you make this so this is also wrong. So you have to really practice for letter V. Do not, from here, do not make a curved line. And from here also some children make a curved line. So all these are wrong. Please keep all these things in mind. If you can see, I'm showing you all the wrong formations. Okay? See them carefully. You will not make any such mistake. Once again, I will tell you, you will go up slant, little slant, come down little slant, again go up little slant and make letter V. This is the correct one. Tail should be short. Alright, now coming to the next letter, S. Letter S, now you know how to write this stroke of S. This is you use in 8 also.